Good morning, students. This is Suman Chaswal, your English teacher. How are all of you? Good? So, today I'm going to give you a class on spoken English and some words which are very common words which we use in day-to-day life, but we are using it wrongly. Okay? We know the word, but we think that this is the correct word, but actually it's not, and we need to correct it. Okay, so I will try to clear the use of those words, where to use what. Okay, so let's get started. For example, now we see the word see. Okay, is looking. Another word for it is look. See, look. Another word is watch. Watch. Okay, see, look, watch. Can you tell me another word for see? Okay, we can say stare, glance, gaze. All of them mean the same, mean see only, but they are used differently. Okay, they mean to see something, but you cannot use one word where you have to use see, you cannot use look, where you have to use look, you cannot say watch, and so on. Okay, sight. So see, look, watch, stare, glance, gaze, sight, they all mean the same. Okay, but they are used differently. For example, can I say I am seeing the TV? What will I say? How will I use? I will say I am watching the TV. Then, where will you say see? Where will you use the word see? See this picture. Can I say watch this picture? I will use see this picture. If I am showing you a picture, I will say see this picture, not watch this picture. If I am showing you a picture of something, I will tell you see this picture, students, not watch this picture. Okay? But if I am showing you a movie, I will say watch this movie. Okay? Watch on TV. Then we will use the word watch. Look. Where do we use look? Look. It means you are suggesting. Look. Okay? Look at the scenery. Look at the scenery. Okay? Look at the match. Look at the look at the students. Okay, look at these students. What are they doing? Okay, then we use look. Next is stare. Where do we use stare? Stare is when somebody looks at you fixedly. Okay, fixedly is just going on looking at you without blinking his eyes. That is called stare. And stare is a very unpleasant. Okay, we should not stare at people. Continuously, fixedly, we should not look at them. That is called staring. And it is very negative. Okay, we feel very creepy when somebody stares at us. Okay, so looking fixedly is called stare. Like, do not stare at others. So it's a very, do not stare at others. It's a very negative feeling it gives. It's not a good way of looking. Staring is not a good way of looking. Okay, so we should not keep on staring at somebody for a long time. It makes the other person also conscious, and it shows your bad manners also. And next is glance. Glance is a quick look. You just quickly have a, suppose in the hall you want to locate somebody you know, so you just glance. Okay, you have a quick look. That is glance. Okay. For example, how will you use it? A glance at the picture showed me the missing word. So a glance at the picture showed me the missing word. So just a look, a quick look, and I could guess which word was missing. So glance is a quick look, and we do it very often. Okay, wherever we are, see, we just glance. Even what you call this thing, when we are doing window shopping, we just glance through all this. Okay, we just have a quick look what has come new and all that, without actually going deeper into it. We are going across. We are going in the mall and going across the what you call showrooms. We just keep on having a quick glance that something might catch our eye. Okay, so that is a glance, a quick look. Then gaze. Gaze is a very beautiful way. You will have read in poems and all. Gaze, okay, gazing at the stars in the night when you just sit in quiet and it's dark and you just keep looking at the stars. That is called gaze, gazing. Okay, it's a very beautiful way of seeing. Okay, because you are really you're mesmerized with the that view. So okay, so that is called gazing. Very positive. Gaze is a very positive way of looking. Okay, so how can we use it? I love to gaze at the sky, at the stars in the sky. Generally, what do we do at night? We look at the stars, the twinkling stars in the sky, and it makes us feel so nice. Okay, so that is called gazing. I love to gaze at the stars in the sky. Okay, there's so many thousands of twinkling stars. So it gives a very nice feeling. And you can sit for hours together and just keep on gazing at them. Okay, then comes sight. Okay, something, when you look at some, maybe a decoration or some painting or anything, okay, some decor has been done. So it's a very beautiful sight. Okay, the whole thing done up is a very beautiful sight. Okay, so the decor of the room was a beautiful sight. Means it was really very pleasing to the eye. Okay, so the decor of the room was a beautiful sight. And then we are using sight. Okay, and we also say about eyesight. My eyesight is weak. We can also use it in this manner. My eyesight is weak means my eyes are need a specs or something. You can also use the word sight. My eyesight is weak. Sorry. So you saw, students, the word means the same. Okay, the different words, they all mean the same only. Looking, see, look, watch, stare, gaze, glance, sight. But it is, they mean they are used for different manner. Okay, so learn the use of these words. There's another one, eye. Okay, we say eyeing. He's eyeing me for a long time. Another way of saying staring. He's looking at me since last 1 hour. He's just going on looking at me. That is another way of saying staring. Eyeing me means he's totally, his look is fixed on me, which is again very negative. Okay, we should not eye others. Okay, we should, if you're looking, you look and you turn around, but you should not keep on looking. That is bad manners. Okay, and it gives the other person also a very creepy feeling. So eyeing is also a negative way, another word for staring. Okay, so we should avoid staring. Okay, so the words were see this picture. Okay, look at the scenery. Watch, I'm watching the TV. Stare, do not stare at others. A fixed stare, look for a long time is called stare. And then glance, a quick look is called a glance. A glance at the picture showed me the missing word. A quick look, gaze. Gaze is also looking for a long time, but in a very positive manner. Gaze is also you're looking at something for a long time, but in a very positive manner, in a mesmerized way. So that is gazing. So stare and gaze is totally different. Okay, gazing. Then sight. The decor of the room was a beautiful sight. My eyesight is weak. And eyeing. We should never eye others. We should never eye others. Or we can also say, stop eyeing me. If somebody is going on looking at you for a long time, fixedly, so then you can say, stop eyeing me. Okay. So these are simple words which we are always using in our day-to-day life, but we should know where to use the correct word and in what context. See, look, watch, stare, glance, gaze, sight, eye. Okay, so these are all the words which are meant, the meaning comes to see only, but used differently. I cannot say I am seeing the TV. Okay, I am watching the TV. I am watching a movie. Okay, so try to use these words correctly. Okay, and improve your English language. Okay, so you can write down these words. All mean the same, but are used in different situations. Okay, students. So today I gave you a class in which I told you about a simple word called see, looking at something, seeing something, watching something. But where can we use this word in what type of situation? Okay, so write down these words and try to make your own sentences and use them accordingly. And when you are speaking, you will speak in the correct manner. Okay, students. In the same way, I will be giving you constantly so many words which are same meaning, but they are used differently. Okay, students. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and God bless all of you.